Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can rotate any PDF. So if you want your PDF to be rotated, then you can use any online PDF editing software which is free to use. One such tool is I Love PDF. So let's see how to utilize this tool to rotate your PDF. First, open any web browser of your choice. Then, in the search bar, simply type for I Love PDF. This is a free tool which allows a variety of different operations on a PDF file. Then you need to click on this particular site right here. Then once you're in the home page, scroll down a bit and you can see the rotate PDF button. Simply click on it and it will ask you to select the PDF file which you want to rotate. Simply choose any file, let's say this particular PDF, and it will give you the options to rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise. You can choose until you meet the right orientation. For example, I want this PDF in this orientation right here. Then once your orientation has been successfully set, you can click on the rotate PDF button. Simply click on this button and it will download the PDF for you. Then once your PDF has been started downloading, you can view it and verify if the changes has been successful or not. Now here you can see that the PDF has been downloaded, and if we open it, you can see that the complete PDF has been successfully rotated. One thing to keep in mind is that this operation completely rotates the PDF, which means every single page in the PDF will be rotated by default. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.